Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today's video will be about an important plant. Most of us keep this plant in our house. Many of us spray this plant while the others use it for medicinal purposes. As you already know, all Hindus pray to this plant. This Tulsi plant has lots of benefits, such as with its leaves we can cure cold and cough. It also helps in combating allergy. And there is many more medicinal benefits of this Tulsi plant. So most of us keep this Tulsi plant. Those who plant it in pots have some problems during winters though, because the plant either has a very bad health or the plant dies. Because in Delhi the cold temperature becomes hard for the Tulsi plant to tolerate. So my mom is taking care of this plant before it is too cold. As you can see, my mom is simply pinching the plant. She is also removing any kind of dead, damaged stems or leaves. She also removed all the seed pods, because we know that dry and damaged stems can carry infection along with them. Next thing my mom is going to do is that she is going to give this plant some food. Even though in winter the plants go in dormancy period, but to maintain their temperature, we have to give some kind of food to the plant. The Tulsi plants likes organic fertilizers only, but for calcium we do not prefer giving eggshell to our plant. Instead of that, we give chalk pencil or lime powder. You can use any of them. For giving the fertilizer, my mom is simply removing the topsoil of the plant. Here my mom has created some homemade manure that she will give to this plant, which is nothing else than tea leaf compost mixed with kitchen waste compost. Instead of this, you can give plain leaf compost as well. After adding the manure to the soil, we have to mix it properly. Then add the topsoil again and then add some dry leaves to the plant. We are actually giving the leaves as a mulch, as the mulch will protect the plant from the winter season and will help no weeds to grow. This will also hold the nutrition value of the soil. After all of that, the last thing my mom is going to do is that she'll wash the plants. Here my mom is washing the plants with turmeric water. You can do it with neem oil as well as Bioenzymes. This will help the plant prevent any kind of pest attacks. You can do this once a week. Also, one last thing, keep this plant in such a place where it gets 4 to 6 hours of sunlight. Here, as you can see, my mom kept lots of plants in one place only, because during winter the temperatures drop and it becomes very cold. Therefore, to maintain the temperature, my mom keeps these plants together. I hope these ways you can keep your Tulsi plant healthy during winter season. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.